Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, May 23. Time is around 6:10 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Wanda platform, the lower time frame. So we are looking at the 15-minute chart. Last week I gave you this area to go long. Turned out quite well. Then I also gave you this area where we could expect a reaction to the downside. This is currently happening, although not really strong. And then yesterday, I in my yesterday's video, I told you that you could initiate a short if we would make one more high here, and if the RSI divergence would still be here on the 15 minutes and on the 1 hour. Unfortunately, we did not make another high with RSI divergence. This is part of my trading style. I prefer to trade at the extremes because then you are really sure that a reaction will happen. And the consequence of this is that if you trade at the extremes, sometimes you also miss trades like yesterday. So yesterday you just had to stay or do a short from here, but yeah, this is, you don't know this beforehand, otherwise it would be very easy trading, but it is not. So yeah, this trade I missed. But yeah, okay, let's have a look at what could happen today. So yeah, the bigger picture, the bigger picture on the lower time frame. If you want to see my opinion on the higher time frame, weekly, daily, please have a look at my weekend videos. Here in my daily videos, I only consider the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, this is the 4 hours. I believe this wave to the upside will soon be over. However, last week something happened here. This looks very strong. This worries me a bit. Like, it is not clear if is this is actually or 5. Your 5 should end with divergence, and yeah, it looks like divergence is erased here, so we might need another count on the 4 hours, but we do not have enough data for this now. So I just give you this as a warning sign. So do not go short blindly. This is a red flag. This can be dangerous, but I need more data for further interpretation. But anyway, on the 4 hour, I expect that we will have a reaction to the downside here at this area, which is the equal leg area from these two swings here. Here we should have a reaction to the downside. So here you can put a short. If we reach this area, there will be a reaction. Ideally, we also reach then here the RSI, the downward RSI trend line. Here there will be a reaction. Okay, then on the on the 1 hour. So from this, yeah, let's say this preliminary wave 4, but it could be that we have to change this. Here I see an impulse up, as we have a wave 1, a wave 2, and now, yeah, I think we have our wave 3 finished. There is a possibility that we already have 5 waves and that we turn down from here. And the reason is, like, we have some kind of RSI divergence, but this is not my primary scenario. I just give it for yeah, for your information. So it might be that wave 5 is over here because of the RSI divergence, but normally what we have to see on the on the 1 hour for like a textbook impulse up is here an RSI reset and then another high with divergence, and this did not happen yet. So this here just looks part an internal wave count of this wave 3, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but not here this higher level impulse up. So what I'm looking for today is more downsides and an RSI reset. If this happens, then I will initiate a long, assuming that another wave 5 to the upside will come. So let's have a look at the 15 minutes. So this is, yeah, this is indeed my count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I believe we finished this wave 3. And now we have to look. Yesterday I gave you this area for a wave 4 where we can expect a reaction. And so this area is the 0.236 pip retracement and the 0.5 pip retracement of your wave 2 and wave 3. This is the area where a wave 4 typically goes. As you can see, we already had a first reaction. However, I don't think the wave 4 is over yet. Why? Because we did not have our RSI reset yet, and yeah, it looks a bit too short. Sometimes it happens in the 1 hour that we have this short wave 4, but normally it takes a bit more time, wave 4. So yeah, if our wave 4 is in, then it looks like this, A, B, C. And then we have here the minimum requirement for our wave 4, and then we should see more upsides today. If this happens, let's assume first that the wave 4 is in here. Then, yeah, I would not trade it as a long from here because I don't believe the wave 4 is in, and then you're trading somewhere in between, which is something that I do not like. But if you like this, then you can do it. So if the wave 4 is in and you like to trade this, then you can go yeah, long from here. Then what should happen is that we retest this low, then we should see something like this. So then this is probably your 1, we will retest the low as a 2, we will have a 3, 4, 5. This is what should happen if the low is in, and your target area for your wave 5 will be here between the 1 and the 1.236 FIP extension. So this will be your target area for wave 5. But so this is something that could play out, but I will not trade it like this because I prefer to trade at the extremes. What I will look at today is this. I will look for an extreme area. So I think this was our wave A. So with the data we have now, this is our wave A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We end with divergence. Yeah, this is a textbook impulse down. Now we will have a messy structure, which is our wave B. This is typical for a wave B. And then we should have, so wave B to the upside might be that the wave B is in here. We could see a bit more upside here. And then we should have a wave C. And this is what I will anticipate, this wave C. So if our wave B is in, then we look for the extreme, which will be this area here. This is your extreme area for a wave C. So yeah, if I go long, it will probably be, yeah, I have to see, I need more data, but like here, this could be an entry to go long, but then you first need to see like impulse down that ends with divergence. And if you don't see this right here, then this will probably your entry. So this I see as the area to go long today if this plays out. But it might be that we have to recalculate this area if the wave B is not over yet, or maybe the wave A is even not over yet, so that we do this A, B, and then C. But yeah, the principle is I look for this kind of area to go long, because don't forget, as I told you, or wave 5 might be in here. So then you really want to trade at the extremes. Otherwise, if our wave 5 is in and we further go down, yeah, then yeah, it might be problematic to have a long, of course. So I'm looking for this kind of extreme area. Another warning is that we could even have, it's not typical for a wave 5, but for a wave 4, but sometimes it happens, a way deeper retracement, and this is because of this support zone. So here we have a major support zone, and we broke it last week. So we had a lot of price action here. We broke it, but then what typically happens with support and demand zones is that they are retested. So actually what we could do is also do in a way for doing a retest of this zone, and then the retracement is even way deeper. So yeah, these are the scenarios that I see that could play out today. It will really be a matter of yeah, further interpretation of data. this is what trading is. You constantly have to interpret the data, the new data. So, however, I explained you how you could go long, but I cannot give you the exact area for now. I need more data. But it could be here. If you see impulse down that ends with divergence on the lower time frame, it could also be here, but it could even be here if we retest this support. So this resistance zone that will now become a support zone if we hold it. Yeah, so this is the possibility for a long. For a short, yeah, then we want to short if it happens, or wave 5. But yeah, for now we do not have data to say yeah, if the wave 4 is in, it will be the area that I showed earlier in this video, but this is not my primary scenario. Okay, this was my analysis for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you tomorrow for another video. Bye bye. Have a nice day.